Hail, my devotees. I just wanted to say thank you so much. The outpouring of support that I've received lately after the passing of Crackers, I just really appreciate it. So I just want to take a few minutes to say a few words about our lost friend. I never really appreciated him before, but now that he's gone, I've come to realize that Crackers was pretty great at eating food and then taking that food and converting it into like a consumable protein source that he could just store and keep with him at all times. And as the beautiful beast, protein is like so important to me. So just want to say, Crackers, buddy, wherever you are, thanks for everything.